Long before modern science spoke of energy fields and observer effects, ancient Hindu sages described reality as one undivided field of consciousness. They didn't have telescopes or equations, they had stillness. Through deep meditation, they realized consciousness is not inside you, you are inside consciousness. They called this understanding Advaita, not two. One truth, infinite expressions. Today, quantum physics tells us everything is energy. The observer changes what is observed. Reality is not solid. It's waves of probability until attention collapses them. But thousands of years ago, the sages said the same in another language. When you see difference, ignorance has begun. Science measures the field, Advaita experiences it. The rishis said, all this is Brahman, the self is the universe. They saw that everything, matter, thought, and time arises from one infinite awareness, not as a belief, but as direct perception. The drop realized it was the ocean, the wave realized it was the water. But the human mind divides. It sees me and you, this and that. This illusion of division is called Maya. Like a dreamer forgetting they are dreaming, consciousness forgets its own infinity and begins to experience limitation. Yet, behind all names and forms, only one essence remains. Their laboratory was silence, their instrument was awareness. In meditation, they dissolved the boundary between the observer and the observed. What remained was pure being, still, luminous, infinite. Quantum physics now points to a similar mystery. The observer and the observed are entangled. Reality responds to consciousness. What the rishis called Brahman, modern science calls the unified field. Two languages, one truth. The universe is not happening to you, it is happening through you. When you quiet the mind, you begin to feel the same truth they discovered. The line between I and everything else fades into stillness. You realize you are not a fragment in the cosmos. You are the cosmos experiencing itself. That is Advaita. The ancient sages didn't wait for proof. They became the proof. Their discovery wasn't in a lab, but in consciousness itself. Perhaps the final frontier isn't outer space, but inner awareness.